Hello and welcome to another Dennis and ITS tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to take a Word document and turn it into an image. If you open your Word doc, from there you can go to the print menu. And here, if you click down here to where you could save it as a PDF, you can open it in preview, which will basically take your Word doc and turn it into a PDF temporarily so that you can then export it as an image. And click Save. And now we have turned our Word doc into an image. Thanks for watching.